Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I wanted to show you how to make this really cute, I'm calling it my pom-pom wand box. Look how adorable. It's so freaking easy. Probably the easiest box you'll ever make. So hold on. Okay, so the box itself measures 7 by 2. And obviously you want your wand to fit the box, and I think it's come out so cute. So I just did a really quick one, just added a sprinkle paper all around this cute little bow that I just made. Then when you open it, I added some little pom-poms to the tassel, to the tag that says "You're sweet." And then they're also getting one of these little cute pom-pom embellishments. So when you open the box, you have your little wand inside. Isn't that adorable? Again, you could put paper in the inside. I didn't do all that just because I wanted to make the video real quick. And that is your pom-pom wand. I added a baby one in the bottom. I added this really cute soft yarn. I made that bow. And the wand is 7 inches. So remember, you want it to fit this size box. And it fits nice and snugly right there. Super cute, perfect for Happy Mail. And you can close it this way, or you can open it on this way. Once I make the box, then you decide which way you want to open. I thought this way was cute because when you open it, that's the first thing you see. If you open it on the top, you're only going to see like the head of the pom-pom. So I thought this side would be cute. So let's make that box together. Okay. And all you need is a regular piece of cardstock. You don't even have to cut it down to size. Your usual 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I'm using 110-pound cardstock. And on the short side, on the 8.5 side, you want to score at 2, 4, 6, and 8. Very easy. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Turn it to your long side, and you want to score it at 2. And then flip it and score it at 2 again. So 2 on each side, and each side. So short side is 2, 4, 6, 8. The long side, 2 inches. Flip it and 2 inches there. So easy. So once you have that scored, I already have one already cut, so you guys can see. On the short side where you have the skinny tag, you want to cut those two little pieces right there. You don't need them. So you cut that off. And then you do your little slits on all the little tabs. And I like to cut a little wedge. Okay. Once you have that, this is where you decide how you want to close your box. So if you want this side opening, you're doing the box this way. So these two, you fold in. Again, there's no really wrong or easy way to do it. It's however you want to do it. You could flip it this way, or you could flip it in the inside. So however you want to close your box. This tag right here is the one that's going to be hugging all of those tabs. You see? So let's say you wanted that open piece on the top. Just fold this piece in and glue it this way. And it turns into that square. So then you have that opening. Okay, but then when you open it, your pom-pom head is going to be there. I just thought it was cuter if you open it this way. So again, you add your glue to your tabs. Okay, let's see. Add your glue. Glue here. This one here, we're going to attach it to that one. That one attached to that one. I'm trying to do this quick, but obviously take your time. Just fold this back so you guys can see. Okay. Then this flap is the one you want hugging the entire box. So add your glue there. Add your glue here. You hug your box. And your box is made. Okay. What I did was, for these two flaps here, I cut mines. I didn't measure it. I just cut a little piece. Just so it doesn't, like, you see how when you push it in, I wanted to make it easier. So I just basically cut like half and half. Again, I didn't measure anything. And then on the corners, I just did that little cut there just to make it easier on the closing. There. So now when you close the box, it's not like tugging or anything. You see? Super, super easy. Once you do that, you decorate and add your pom-pom. And to do the pom-pom, again, so easy. Once your pom-pom is already made, take your straw. I just open it up a little bit, hot glue it, hold it. And once that is glued to your stick, you start decorating. You add your trim, you add your bow, and there you go. This box is just a cute little way to gift it. You put it in Happy Mail, you decorate your box, and how freaking cute. You add a little tag with more pom-poms, you wrap it, and it's adorable. I hope the box made sense. It's super, super easy, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.